Today I'm going to talk about the Benchmade Bedlam. This is a Black Series knife and is very substantial. It comes in a few different options. This is the manual Bedlam. This is the 860. It also comes in a black blade, and this is the 8600 SBK. So it's an auto. It comes out there flying fast, has the black coated blade and the serration. You can see even in my large hand, you have handle that sticks out here. It is a big blade, literally designed for gloves or really big hands. Like all Benchmade autos, they have a lock where you can lock it open, or you can lock it closed to where it won't fire in your pocket, it won't fire at all. Great option for these knives. You got some nice jimping here on both the spine of the knife and the liners of the knife. Wicked looking knife, super useful, nice big belly. It may not look like it has an actual use, but I can see you carrying one of these actually to go hunting, etc. This part of the blade would be great for skinning, etc. Great composite handle. Kind of look, get the texture in there. I believe this is G10. All the stat sizings and current prices will be on the website. Thanks for watching.